How's it going, guys? Figure I'd show you my face once in a while here. I'm pretty happy today. I got the heavy parts are all put in. Let me flip this camera around here so you can see. Okay. So we got the transfer case back up. Transmission is all bolted up, hooked up, plugged in. All that's done. I got to put the plugs on the transfer case and continue tightening it up. And then the next hard job is fishing that Y-pipe up. That bracket right there, I wish that unbolted because it would be easy. But it's a tight fit the way the exhaust goes up around that. Got a few things up here to get hooked up. Once that's done, get the Y-pipe in her, fill her up with tranny fluid, put the drive shafts back in, and the cross member, the trans cross member, and I'm pretty much done. We'll find out if it runs after that. Oh, I'm quite happy with all that. Oh, see how red my face got? Woohoo! That's push-up number 1082. I might have lost a few pounds doing this project, boys. A little bit of sweat coming out of me. Nice day here today. About 22 degrees. It's good working weather. So, just thought I'd let you know what was going on. And I'll give you another update in a day or two. Have a good day, guys.